Hey everybody, let's take a quick look at how to use the screenshot and the Google Draw tools to answer questions and manipulate images. Uh, I know that that's something that still is a little bit of a challenge, but it's going to be really useful for us both in math and in environmental literacy as well. So let's say that we're working on this problem number 4 here, and um, I'm asking you to use the draw tool and screenshots to show how you found the volume of this figure. And what I'm looking for is an answer that looks something like this, right? Okay, so that's my example. So here's what you do. If I take this, I need to hit Control Shift, and on the Chromebook, it's the button that's above the 6, and it looks like it's a rectangle with 2 little lines to the right. So I'm going to grab this, and it says copy to clipboard there, and I can hit that copy to clipboard, click that, then I go over to a new tab, open Google Docs. And again, the only reason we're doing this is because I don't think that you have access to Google Drawing. If you had Google Drawing, then we wouldn't have to mess around in Google Docs. Open a new doc. I haven't even been bothering to name them or anything, because you're just going to wind up taking a screenshot of this again. So insert drawing. When you insert a drawing, and then that was new. Did you see that? It was new. So I can paste it in. I could 2-finger click here and hit 2-finger click and hit paste, and that would drop it in. I can also hit Control V. That drops it in. I'm going to undo that by hitting Control Z and show you, probably it's the clunkiest, but I think it'll work more often to way to insert this image. So there's the image picture there. Click it, choose an image to upload, and it drops it in. Okay. And if I want to start annotating this, I want to start manipulating this, I grab a text box, and I guess I'll do it right here. And it's going to be really helpful for me if in your text box you make it a different color than black. So then when I see it, when I grade it in Schoology, I'll be able to tell that it's your work. So let's make it, I don't know, blue. What do I want to do here? I want the text to be blue. What am I missing? Well, let's make the whole box blue then, since I can't find the text. A nice light blue. All right. I don't know how nice that is, but all right. V equals length times width. I'm just using capitals there. And then I'm just going to hit just capitals so that you can tell the difference between the length for L and the lowercase l, which looks a lot like a 1. And maybe I should say volume of A, and we'll say that A is the top box there. And I could label that too, equals, and so on and so on. Okay, so I would finish that, and I could say save and close, or I can just take a screenshot of this. So screenshot. And note that this is not the right answer, but copy to clipboard, go over to where I insert this, and same thing, 2-finger click, I could paste it in. I can also hit Control V, and it goes in there. And I know sometimes it's not super easy for you to see this, but when I go to grade it, I can tell that it's there. Or Control Z to get rid of that, to undo that, or I can do the same thing and attach it as, or insert it as an image. Right. Okay, and then so that's that. So that would be submitting it. So that's what I'm asking when I'm talking about use the Google Draw tool and screenshots to manipulate an image, show me that, and show me something about it. Yeah.